inspections here, and I wanted to show you something that we're seeing more and more often now, and that is GFCi receptacles that have an alarm on them. And I think this is a wonderful idea. I'll just demonstrate how it works by pressing the test button. You hear the alarm. You reset, it goes off. And the alarm is switchable. If you don't want the alarm on, there's a little dip switch here that you can change it and switch the alarm off. The beautiful thing about this is sometimes you'll have a circuit that has GFCi protection, and the GFCi will trip, and you might not know exactly where it is. So you're going around the house trying to find where it tripped. And so this would make it easy to find the one that's alarming is the one that's tripped. Another nice thing is, especially with older houses that have been updated, kitchens, countertops, and anything near sinks in kitchens now requires GFCi. Well, the circuit may also have your refrigerator or a freezer on it, and should there be an accidental trip and you're not aware of it, well, your refrigerator would lose power and you could spoil the food. And so an alarm going off letting you know that it's tripped can help save you from losing food. Also, there are certain safety and protection things in your house, like sump pumps to handle moisture in your basement or something. In some jurisdictions, they require that pump be on a GFCi receptacle because it's near water. There's other arguments that, well, you don't want water to stop it from working. So there's a debate about whether or not to have GFCi on a sump pump. But if you have one of these type there, if it does trip, at least you have an alarm letting you know that your sump pump's not going to work until that's reset. Anyway, this thought is a great idea that we're seeing more of these days, and I just totally endorse this. If you have a situation that needs to be dealt with, this just might be your answer. This is Jim Tucker with Timberline Inspection.